In this episode, a family tests a simple fridge audit that cuts food waste and lowers energy use. They map groceries, rotate stock, and try batch cooking after a neighbor showed how 2 forgotten vegetables became dinner. The emotional payoff is calmer mornings, savings, and a student case study where meal planning freed weekends. Tips include labeling shelves, grouping leftovers, and using clear containers so spoilage is spotted early. Together, these tiny habits add up to a lighter footprint and a happier, more mindful home.